Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can delete a meta field on your Shopify store. So a meta field is something that's part of a product, right? It's something that defines what they are. So, for example, if you're buying a shirt and it has two colors, either blue or red, then there is a meta field called color where the values are injected into said meta field. So there's a meta field called color, and it'll either be blue or red. So the way we access that, we can go to products here first, and then you want to select the products you want. So I'm just gonna pick this gibberish of an object. And if you want to scroll down, you'll see that there's variants first and foremost. There's two variants. There's a color black, a darker gender, and also another variant here, black, right? And these are the category meta fields, as you can see. I'm going to add one more, which is fabric. For the fabric, I'm going to do cork. And for the age group, it'll be all ages, right? Now we have the meta field here, and I'm going to save as well. Give a second to save. Great. Once saved, if you want to see the meta field, you just have to click on it and then click on it again. It'll open up this new window right here. And this is the more detailed view of the meta field, right? It can you can see how many assigned categories it has. You can also do the storefront access. You can also change the filter in the product index. You can also do change the smart collections here as well. But as you can see, there's a big red delete button right here. And if you want to delete the meta field for fabric here, you can delete it right here. But if you delete this meta field, if for example you have a shirt and a pants, they're both made of fabrics, right? So it would make sense if they both would share the same meta field. If you delete this fabric from here, it'll delete the fabric everywhere. So the meta field that used to be on your shirt and on your pants product page will now be gone. And if that's what you want, then you can just click delete here right away. And now that meta field is now gone, right? No more fabric. If you want, wait, if I refresh here, you'll see that the fabric field will be gone now. See, no more fabric. Now, if you want to just delete it from one product, you just click on this and you can click on clear. There you go. Now just click on save.